Dumpster rental service in the Woodlands, Texas. Are you looking for a reliable dumpster rental service in the Woodlands, Texas? Chunk and Dump is your go-to provider for hassle-free dumpster rentals. Whether you're cleaning out your home, managing a construction project, or handling business waste, we've got you covered. We make waste disposal simple with prompt dumpster delivery and pickup. Our team is dedicated to providing excellent customer service and ensuring you have the right dumpster size. We eliminate the stress of renting a dumpster with affordable rates and straightforward pricing. Our services are ideal for homeowners, contractors, and business owners who need a dependable way to dispose of debris. At Chunk and Dump, we are committed to environmentally responsible waste disposal. We make it easy for you to eliminate unwanted materials without the hassle. No matter the size of your project, we are here to make your cleanup effortless. We take the mess off your hands so you can focus on what truly matters, completing your project on time. Our flexible rental periods allow you to work independently without worrying about rush deadlines. From small cleanouts to large-scale construction debris removal, we offer dumpsters that can handle any load. Call us, and we'll help you choose the best dumpster size. For stress-free dumpster rental service in the Woodlands, Texas, contact Chunk and Dump. Call 936-290-3478 today and let us help you manage your waste efficiently.